10 seconds to shoot. Bautista. Basket. Official score all 39.
Dead lang at 39.
15 seconds to shoot. Villafranca. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Salvador. No good. Rebound by Dinilasan. Last 2 minutes. Basket by Dinilasan. Timeout. Troopers.
Change
Time
favor tayo.
remaining 1 minute and 59 seconds left.
Change favor, 41-39.
Official
2-point
score
lead.
41-39. Change favor. 2 points lead by Patriots. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 59 seconds left. Official score 41-39. 2 points lead by Patriots.
Ito, baba ka konti. Konti lang, yan. Next up lang. Walang papel. Walang papel. Hanggang.
15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Castro. Full Dinilasan.
Ito, easy. Kapalya.
15 seconds to shoot.
Tama ba lang, ito?
Castro spot. No good. Rebound by Villafranca. Intercept by Dinilasan.
Hindi na yung bola pag masigit.
Offensive foul.
Kapalya, okay lang.
Committed by number 5, Tapalya.
Ilan foul lang? Ilan foul?
Tapalya third, personal foul.
Kapalya, ingat ka pala. Andap lang, andap.
15 seconds to shoot.
Andap.
Basket by Villafranca.
Score, dead lang at 41.
Official score all 41. 48 seconds left.
Simon, tama na, Simon.
15 seconds to shoot.
Tandem.
Foul.
Ano pangalan?
Committed by De Leon.
Ano ko balat?
De Leon second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Tandem.
Oras natin 39 seconds left. Charity shots given to number 25, Dinilasan. Play shot by Dinilasan. Basket. Second shot no good. Rebound by De Leon. 30 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot.
Kaliwa lang yan, kaliwa.
10 seconds to shoot. Good luck. Intercept. 15 seconds left. A traveling violation. 12 seconds left. Inbound by Santiago to Funelas. 5 seconds left. Funelas for 3. No good.